Right, good morning everyone, welcome back. Friday, the 23rd of May. We are in Henley On Klip, Midval. Yes, that's correct, another one. Another gate motor, parts being stolen. And we're going to replace it with a Centurion D6 Smart 24 volt sliding gate motor system. The mist is still in. It's already 8:30. So what we're going to do is quickly cut off this bracket, remove the old gate motor, look at our options, what we need to do where, in order for our new gate motor to be installed properly. So please stay tuned and follow us. It looks much better. Gate motor is off. We're just going to quickly look at the steel platform that we have here and see where we need to reinforce it if needs be. But I can already see some areas that I'm going to weld, just to make sure. Right, if we look at the steel platform, especially on the rear side, you can see the welding is not the greatest there. Some good spots, but overall, there you can see the gaps. And then on the front here, it's only welded there and a little bit there. So we're going to weld that into and then look at it and assess it, and then we might place a steel one in here for that extra. 3 points is much better than 2. Right, our platform has been welded into position. It's level, so we can now quickly place the gate motor into position, line it up, spot weld the base plate, remove the gate motor, and weld the gate motor steel base plate down. And then we'll start with the steel rack, but one thing at a time. So we're currently here. Steel platform has been painted. The steel base plate has been welded onto the steel platform, and that's been painted. The anti-theft bracket ears have been welded down into position, so that's cool. Now we can bolt the gate motor into position. The steel gate rail, we've cut that off. We'll just re-weld it into position. Right, from this side, gate motor is parallel with the steel sliding gate. Stand in front of it, it's level, and then obviously it's long enough for that one. It's again level. Gate motor has been bolted down with all of the bolts. We just nicked that one with a welding rod, so we just place some grease on it to allow the bolt to go down smoothly. We're just going to connect the earth wire onto the right hand side here and start welding the steel gate rail onto the steel gate. Alright guys, this is where we are now. Quickly need to finally program the external receiver card remote to it, and then we'll Just fit the receiver card into its slot. We've welded the steel gate rail onto the steel sliding gate. Spacing is 500 millimeters apart, and then startup sections have double brackets to it. At the back we've also reinforced it. So, right, let's quickly just do the final things and we can do some test videos. Okay guys, we're done with the installation. Centurion D6 Smart sliding gate motor. Installed here in Henley On Klip, Meyerton. We fitted a generic anti-theft bracket to the gate motor. You can see that the gate motor is standing nice and upright. It's not vibrating at all. It's parallel with the steel sliding gate. So let's quickly test it, show it to you guys how quick it is. According to the specifications, it's a 4-meter opening. So that 4-meter opening has been closed within 12 seconds. Quite quick. And that's just what you want. If you want it done right the first time, give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. You can see there's no vibration on the gate motor. Check out smartgates.co.za and check out Exquisite Security. These are the guys that you need to contact to get it done right the first time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all of the support.